So, Sarah, what'd you think of the beautiful machine binding workshop?
I had so much fun.
Did you?
Uh-huh. I love your enthusiasm. I love your teaching.
Oh,
And I learned so many things.
awesome.
It was so fun.
Awesome.
I
Well,
can't
thank
wait
you.
to go on and make more.
Yes, yes. And your stuff is great. You're coming along.
Yeah.
It looks awesome.
But I'm having a good time, and now I know because I'm the queen pinner, and I don't have to be the queen of pins anymore. So thank you.
Yes. If I could keep somebody from pinning, I'm so happy.
And so is my family.
There you go.
They don't have to step on pins.
That's right. That's right.
Great. Thank you.
It was a great class. I learned a lot. It will help with my cooking.
Thank you.